All right, let's see if I still know how to do this. What's up, everybody? Can't Be Broken's Locks, aka Can't Be Broken, back again with a quick video. Whoa. When's the last time I said that? Welcome to the channel. I'm pretty sure that none of y'all are new, and I know y'all know how long I've been away. Don't listen to me scratching my hand because it's right next to the mic. Anyway, we're gonna keep this brief. What we talking about today is we talking about making man buns in 2022. So, we got the man bun going already. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do this thing. Super quick, super easy. Come on, y'all. First thing y'all know we need to do, we need to hit that classic intro. It's been a minute, so we had to do it. But let's get started. First things first, grab you a regular size headband with a decent amount of elasticity in it. Bring all your hair forward, almost like you about to make just a high ponytail. Ignore all them
he needs some milk.
Hairline. So yeah, grab all that hair and make sure you get it into that hair tie, but don't bring it all the way through the hair ties if you're doing a ponytail. What you want to do is kind of stop halfway, leaving, you know, half of that ponytail, I guess, in the middle of being pulled through. You know, that's how I'm gonna describe it here. And it's fine if it's uneven, you can just pull that thing down from the side. All right. Next thing you're going to want to do, and you can honestly leave it like this if you want to. I usually do that as well when I don't really need to have it looking, you know, like when I don't feel like having all the hair off the back of my neck. But if you do, here's what you do. You take that leftover bit hanging out the back, split it in half. You could take that first bit, bring it up and over the hair tie. And again, you're gonna tuck that under. You don't have to bring it all the way through. You can break some of it so that there's not so many loose flyaways flying away at the bottom. And then you can take that other half, and you don't even really need to bring that one up and over. That one can just come from up under. And we don't really worry too much about how it looks from behind because it's off the back of our necks. We ain't going for perfections. It's 2022, y'all. Now from the front, that's what does matter. And it looks clean from the front. So if you want to rock you one of these, just follow this quick and easy tutorial. Be rocking. This thing is nice and sturdy. It's nice and smooth. It don't fall apart. But yes, glad that y'all came. I hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah, we're going to try to put out some more content for y'all. But other than that, I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.